Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm gonna do a haul, and I tried to vlog earlier because I was with my friends, but then we all forgot to vlog because we were just caught up on, like, you know, like our chica or something like that. So I think I'm just gonna do a haul, and I'm just gonna insert maybe the vlog footage from earlier to tomorrow, if I do vlog tomorrow, because it's really like a tiny bit of clip. And yeah, I'm just gonna do like a separate video. But anyways, first thing first, the box is just from Sephora, but my friend Clarice, she gave me a hand wash from Bath and Body Works, and thank you so much, Beth, for giving this to me. I think this when she went shop at the Bath and Body Works, they were having like on sale. This was $3, I believe, that she told me it was $3 each, because the original price she told me it was like $6, and it's like, you know, that's a good price for the hand soap. She gave me the winter candy apple, and then she also gave me a champagne toast. Like I said, Beth, thank you so much, I appreciate it. It smells really good, you guys. Like both of them smells really freaking good. It smells like candy scent, and this one is like very how do you call that, like mild. So thank you so much, Clarice, Beth, thank you. So yeah, $6.50. It's right here. $6.50 is the original price. And also she also gave me a mist from, this is actually from my other YouTube friends as well, Marie's. Babe, thank you so much. Clarice gave, this is actually her I believe this is her business. She sell like perfumes and fragrance. So this is says M for Marie's collection. This one, it says Jo Malone English Pear. And you guys, this smells so mild and smells really freaking good. Like this one right here. I don't know how much she sell this for, and I'm just gonna ask her so I can like put the price in like in the screen or put it in the description box. And this one is also Gucci Rush. I believe she's oh, it just says inspired by Gucci Rush, and then this one is also inspired by Jo Malone. So I'm gonna put her Instagram account, like, so you guys, if you guys are from the Philippines and if you wanna order or buy some perfumes and fragrances for her, you gotta try this one. They're both smell good. Like I said, I'm gonna put it in the description box below so you guys can check it out. So yeah, next one is from Zara right here. And you guys, when we went to Tyson's, I think it was Tyson's Corner actually, yeah, I think Tyson, I don't know which mall, but anyway, it was like last, I feel like a month ago now. And then this was on whatchamacallit, this was on sale, but I don't know, for some reason the sale was only for the size 37, not the size 38, because the sale was supposedly like almost like 20% off or 30% off. I have no idea, I forgot. But anyways, this was like sold out online as well. So this is a mule, like heeled mule from Zara, and you guys, this is like so freaking good. The size is 40, I am 38, but when for some reason, but when I try it on, it actually fits. It's like the perfect fits for me. So anyway, the original price is kind of pricey. It's $39.90. It's almost like 40 bucks right there. And this is just really cute. Like, it's very classy looking mules. And we actually went to Burberry as well, and then I found this really cute like muled heels. I will probably just insert the picture, and I might just next time or maybe next month we might go back there, if you know, if we go back shopping. And then I gotta get it. Like, it's really freaking cute. Like, I love the like design and everything. Is like brown, but I'll just insert a picture here because I took a picture of it. So yeah, it's like $380, but it's really freaking good. But yeah, this is what I got from there, like the Zara. And yeah, I paid 40 something dollars, $42.29 with, how much was the tax? $2 was the tax. So yeah, anyway, yeah, that's this one. This is actually good for like you like going out for like brunch or something, like you have like a mom jeans. This is really freaking cute to pair with, so that's what I got from Zara. Okay, you guys, last but not the least is from Coach. We also stopped by at the Coach, and then my friend and I, she went there as well because she went shopping as well. So anyways, I got this bag, and I've been eyeing this bag as well, and I like the color white. So this is, I don't know the name of this. Where is the receipt? All right, so this is a Sig mini Surrey, I don't know. So the original price is $350. That's a lot of money. So the original price for this one is $350 for this one, and they were having on sale. I think it was like Black Friday sale, and now I only paid $105. Well, the price after sale is $105, but then overall with the tax it's $111 plus 30 cents. So that's really a good price, you guys. Like, look how cute this bag, and it has like a sling, so you can do it like crossbody as well. Like, oh my god, it's so cute. So anyways, it's white like I said, and then it has like zipper here right there, so here like there's a space here, and there's also a space here right there, and then in the center there's also space in the center. Okay, this is the price. Yeah, $350. It's just Sig, it's just a Sig MN Surrey. So I think that's the name. I have no clue. And it has a space here as well. There, like a slit right here too. And then it says Coach right here. And then like inside it's like tan brown, like the thing inside right there. And then there's like a clip here too, so you want to go like that one. Yeah, clip and then clip. This is really cute, you guys, right there. And then it's really cute with just like a handbag, or like you can put it in your like shoulder. So this is really cute, and it has like studs. I think that's, I don't know how you call that, but yeah, that's it. Like, that's the bag. And like I said, I only paid $111 for this little cute bag, because I will be I got my sister like this color, like a white canvas or whatever that called. It's like a crossbody too, and I will be giving that to her because I'm gonna send a balikbayan box for my family again next year. So I'm just trying to gather like bags and clothes for, you know, the balikbayan box. So anyway, I think that's all it, you guys. And we also went to this restaurant, and I got a crispy pata. You guys, if you're Filipino or something, you know what I mean. Crispy pata, putok batok. So yeah, it's really good. We went there. We had so much fun, and then we're gonna come back there because I think the owner wants us to do like a mukbang or like review over there. Oh my god. So thank you so much for you know, for free food soon. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, we had fun with my girls, and also Clarice. But anyway, guys, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.